Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, again we'll do the revision of chapter number 4, word processing with Microsoft. So, in this video, see the video and then learn the question answers also. List your features. Question number 1. List your feature of word processing software. Here, 4 list we had written. The 4 features of word processing software are creating, opening, saving a text document, editing text using cut, copy, paste, find and replace, checking for spacing and grammar errors, provide a three Uh, some more list means features are also there in the book. If you want to read that also, you can learn that points also. Then second question, what do you understand by paragraph indentation? How does one adjust the indentation of a paragraph? Here, indentation determines the distance of paragraph either from left side or the right margin. It means that you are knowing how to write the paragraph you are knowing. You have to see the both the side margin, left side and right side, and then start writing the paragraph. You know how to write the paragraph. First of all, first line you have to um, give some space, take some space, and then start writing. And the second paragraph, same as earlier paragraph you had written at the same time. So here we have to set the margin of both the side, left and right side. To indent a paragraph, click on the paragraph on that home tab. Home tab, it is there in the paragraph, and there you have to click. Then paragraph group, click the increase indentation button repeatedly to increase the intent, or click the decrease intent button to decrease the intent. If you want to increase and decrease, the button is there. According to that, you have to increase and decrease the space of indentation. Then what is the use of find and replace features? Find and replace features means, suppose the find tool. Find tool that, suppose you had written a paragraph, 2 3 paragraph you had written, and there you have to find some word that means you have to find where in which paragraph you had written that word, and it is difficult to find you. There you have to click on the find tab, find tools. One small window will be disappear in the screen on the screen, and there you have to write on the text box which word you are finding. That word you write and then click on the find. Then wherever all the paragraphs the word is written there, they the word were highlighted and you can easily find out the word. And replace this means, suppose you had written 2 3 4 one story you had written, and if you want to change one word to another word, that word you have to change to another word. It means that you have to click on the replace tool. There means the old word and new word it is written there. Means old word means whatever what which word you had written earlier, that word you have to write in the first text box. And if you want to replace means which word you want to add after replacing, that word you have to write. And then click on the replace all. Then all the words replaced by the old one, replaced by the new one, sorry. It is given here. While modifying a document, we often realize that we need to locate the occurrence of word or phrase in a document. The find total is very useful to do this. Sometimes we also need to replace all the occurrence of the word with another. Replace tool is very useful in such cases. Then, what are the steps to insert an image in Microsoft Word? To step The step to insert an image in Microsoft Word: first, click Word Art in the Insert tab and select a Word Art style from the Word Art gallery. A text box appears on the document. Type the text in the document and click outside the text box. Clicking the Word Art box activates the Drawing Tools Format tab on the ribbon. Use this toolbar to apply more effects to the word art. You can change the style, color, outline of the text. Then, to apply word art on given text, select the text and then select the word art command. It will change. Then come to the sixth question. How does one adjust the page orientation, margin and size in Word? For page orientation means, in Word, each type of a document has a default margin, which means that the text matter is pieced at a certain distance from the edge of the paper of the side. So page margin, if you want to means default it is there, default margin is it is there, but if you want to change it, you have to click on the page layout tab, and there you have to change the page margin from the gallery, and customize which setting you want, means which type of margin you want. Then page orientation means the page orientation option, the orientation option in the page layout tab. You start orientation, it is given here. The direction positioning of the page means the portrait orientation set the paper with the vertical edge, and the shorter horizontal edge means landscape orientation does the opposite, means the portrait is vertical edge and the landscape is known as the horizontal edge. To set the orientation of the page, click the orientation in the page layout and page setup group, select portrait or landscape like this, and then come to the paper size. Paper size means we are having, not aware you are not aware with this paper size, because you are knowing that paper size is A4 size paper, A3 size paper, legal paper. This all are the types of paper size that you are knowing. When you want to print, you need the paper, different paper sizes based on the requirement. Sometimes we are saying you also to write in the A4 size paper. That paper you are knowing. Then A3 size paper is also there. Then legal paper. These are the different paper size paper. Then next question we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.